Hi, mathematical friends. Dr. Gamble has asked me to create a short video for you, just for you to reference in the MEW Lab, so you can swipe students in and out for their study hours. So I'm going to show you how to get to the reports and then open a kiosk so students can swipe in and swipe out with their kernel cards in the math lab to help you kind of manage those activities this semester. When you are in Navigate, the first screen that you are on is your faculty screen. It'll say Staff Home, but that's your advisor and faculty homepage. Down at the bottom, you will see additional modes, and that is where the kiosk is. The kiosk is a screen that just allows students to swipe their kernel card, and it imports their IN number and checks them into Study Hall. I'm not going to click on kiosk now because it's going to log me out of Navigate to get the kiosk open. So I'll refer to the reports first so you can see which of your students have completed their Study Hall hours, and then I'll show you how to turn the kiosk on for MEW Lab check-in. Once you have students checked in and out of your MEW Lab study sessions, you can go run reports. You can filter by instructor so you can see if your students have completed their hours or not. Reporting is down here on the left-hand column. It's the second to last section. If you do not have access to that, let me know. I'll make sure you have access to all of that. You can go run study hall reports for different time frames, and you can run these reports as many times as you want. Study hall reports are listed under the Standard Reports tab here, and if you scroll down a little bit, I think it's the last one. So that's your study hall report. The first one you'll be able to, the filters right here, you can add as many as you want. The more that you add, the more detailed your reports kind of get. So you've got different times here. If you're looking for the students who've completed a certain number of hours, that's it. We can do remaining. The time frame gives you how many they've completed, how many they have left, the whole shebang. So it's probably the easier one to use, and you can choose a date range that you pick. I have used my GA to swipe in and swipe out of Study Hall for me, so it's just going to show up on the report when we're done. And if you would like to filter out your sections, you would do an add a filter. And if you go down all the way to the end, you can use enrolled with professor, section tagged with. You would just start typing. Come on, sometimes it gets a little bit slow. But probably the easiest way for you to do it is the professor. Enroll with professor. Go ahead and put your name. Start typing in your name, and it'll give you your students only. I'm going to take this field off just so that way you can see what the report looks like, because my GA is not in my class, of course. Oh, no. Run report. And so the results, you can see there, there's a lot. So that's why you're not seeing time on this screen. But you have the option over here to export it to Excel, and that kind of gives you a little neat report that you can then filter, sort, do all those kind of things. You can see that gives you the students' email, their, even their major and things like that. GPA required minutes, total minutes, remaining minutes, and things like that. So you'll have all those options when you're doing the different reports. If you like that report, I think you have the option to save it. No, okay, this one doesn't let you save it. We can create reports or searches that can be saved, and you can just rerun them at different intervals. If you're interested in doing something like that, you can let me know as well. So that's how you would get, you guys would filter with professor, so that way you can get your students in your sections and run the reports that way. So we'll go back to the home screen, and I'll show you how to do the kiosk. So the thing about the kiosk is that you don't have to remain logged into Navigate to let the kiosk run in the MEW Lab study hall. The first person who will go in the study hall and open it for the day can open the kiosk. When you automatically open the kiosk, you get kicked out of the study hall for the day. So, kicked out of Navigate for the day. So your Navigate is not open. It is secured. You know, students cannot do anything else in Navigate, just with the kiosk. I'm going to use Miss Portier's son, since we tried this with him earlier and it did work. I'm going to show you how the kiosk works. Students can type in their IN number or swipe with their card. It doesn't matter. To open the kiosk, you go to additional modes and you'll hit kiosk. Navigate will ask you which location you want to use. We have set up an MEW Lab study hall. That's your 140 Pelche room. And it's only set up to offer the single purpose of just checking in and checking out for study hall hours. So when you click on that, the student will either swipe their kernel ID. I've installed the card swipe in your room. Or they can type in their ID number as well. If they forget their ID card and they don't have it, they can type in their number. When they log in, they'll be asked to choose a subject. So ideally, they would choose their math class. And then when they click their subject, it thanks them for checking in. It reminds them to check out before they leave. And it tells them how many minutes they have remaining this week. We can preload a required number of hours or minutes for your students each week if you want to. We don't have to. Either way, they'll still show up on the report with the hours that they've earned. And so once they check in, you can see my Navigate has been signed out in the background. It's not there anymore. So this screen remains on your student-facing computer in your MEW Lab. When students are ready to leave, they will swipe or type in their IN number again. They will hit submit and it checks them out. It tells them how many minutes they logged this visit and it tells them how many they have remaining on the week. And so they're out. The kiosk is ready for the next student to swipe in. At the end of the day, all you have to do when you're ready to shut down your room is just close the kiosk screen. Navigate is already logged out and you guys don't have to do anything else. So that's a quick and easy version on how to get to the MEW Lab and check students in and run your reports. We can also do automations with reports, meaning that we can set a report to run on a certain schedule, maybe once a week or things like that, and then email those reports to people. So if that's something you're interested in, let me know. If you are ever in the MEW Lab and have questions or something happens and you need some help, get in touch with me and I'll be happy to work things out for you. So have a great semester and I hope this helps. Thanks, bye.